have a good recovery here.
Agreed. Send the next tube down to 20 meters.
Stretching 150 meters long, this new foundation mound is already providing a crucial habitat for the vibrant clownfish population.
The foundation profile indicates a slight deviation here. Adjust the grid by 2 meters east.
2 meters east. Confirmed, recalculating the dumping run now.
Meters, clear. Confirm, keep it moving. Keep pulling the tether on your side.
Okay, it's straight now. Tell them to stop the winch.
All right, what's your spacing? How's the alignment?
Looks good, boss. All clear.
Looks solid, no voids detected. Okay, logging the completion time now.
Drop the weight on the northwestern section. Clear the zone.
That's the exact point, mark it.
All right, marking the center line now. Keep it coming down slow. We're clear on this side. Okay, set it.
Place the next pin right here.
All right, hit it hard. We need to cover the overlap. Keep it moving, don't stop.
Make sure that vibrator gets deep into the mix. All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the east side.
Okay, easy now, easy. Looks good.
Keep it moving to the left.
Okay, I'm on it. Make sure the vibrator is deep enough.
Lower the panel, easy now.
We're clear on the bottom.
All right, hold it there, ready to bolt.
We need that conduit lowered by the PAPI foundation now.
All right, watch your step over here.
Readings are normalizing. We have green across the board.
Copy that. Ready for final placement.
Antenna array set. Tension released.
Make sure the stencil for position 6 is aligned correctly.
Got it. Watch your clearance on the left side.
All right, keep the machine steady. Bring that segment down another meter.
Watch the alignment on the east pier.
All right, hold it there.
Check intensity on the green array. It should be at 20,000 candela.
Reading 19.8, making the adjustment now. See the flasher sequence?
Watch the roller coming through on the left.
Okay, keep that section clear. We're almost done.
Bridge 1 extending to 25 meters. Calibration successful.
Copy that. Check the alignment on the apron markers.
Check the azimuth on channel 4.
Reading steady at 0.02.
Good. Lock it down.
The alignment on Tower 4 needs adjustment.
Confirmed. We are within the precision corridor for runway 35.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Hold it steady right there.
now. Watch the alignment on the east side.
Roger, she's almost touching down.
Make sure the grounding wire is secure before we power up the regulator.
Almost done. Just finishing the crimp now.
Connections are tight on this end.
We need to verify the approach coordinates right here.
They look good on the schematic, but let's double check the live feed.
Back it up nice and slow. Watch the clearance on the left. All right, hold it right there. Looks good.
This is a test of the public address system.
Genel seslendirme sisteminin bir testidir.
The retroreflectivity reading is 185.
Well within the ICAO standard, sir.
I've logged it for the 3,000 meter mark.
Readings are steady at .03. Confirmed. Maintain altitude 200 meters.
The pressure is holding steady at 1200 kilopascals.
Acknowledged. We can move to the next section of the network.
All bags accounted for on carousel 1, deviation 0.
Same here. The sortation logic is holding up perfectly on this run.
Status check on TF1001. Confirm gate update synchronized on bank 2.
Affirmative. Centralized display is fully stable and green across all sectors. Monitor the weather cell approaching from the southwest. We may need to initiate a ground stop for departures.
Acoustic array deployed and active. Confirmed. B. Continuing perimeter scan.
Pavement quality here meets the standards. Ensure the drainage gradient is logged correctly. We need final sign-off by 1600 hours.
So the construction completion matches the regulatory requirements. We can proceed with the certification.
Everything is in order, Director.
As you can see, the entire facility is built 4 meters above sea average on the reclaimed land.